So today we will do the problems about the congruence of the triangles. Write problem number one. AB and CD intersect each other at O. O is the midpoint of both AB and CD. So prove that AC equal to BD and AC parallel to BD. Okay, that AB and CD intersect at O. AB line and CD line. AO is equal to BO and CO is equal to DO. It is given. So how to prove that AC is equal to BD and AC is parallel to AB? Speak me. By which congruence property we apply to prove it? Read the question and understand it. Listen or not? So speak me. So first prove that AC is equal to BD. That means you see that AC line is and it is BD line. So first you see when AB and CD intersect at the point of O and O is the midpoint. So you find two triangle. One is AOC and BOD. Yes or no? Okay. That AC is the part of the triangle AOC and BD is the part of triangle BOD. So first we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So when the triangles are congruent, then by CPCT, that means corresponding part of a congruent triangle, so we have to prove that AC is equal to BD. So first we have to show that the triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. So how to show that these two triangles are congruent? So you have to write that in triangle AOC and triangle BOC, so which parts are equal? AO part is equal to BO, yes or no? And CO is equal to DO, it is given, yes or no? Because O is the midpoint. And you see angle AOC, this angle is equal to BOD. By which property? Very good, that vertical opposite angle, yes or no? Angle AOC is equal to BOD. So you have to find the three congruence property by which the two triangles are equal. So hence you write triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC. By which property? Very good, side and side. Okay. Now you write that by CPCT, that corresponding part of a congruent triangle, by CPCT we have to write that AC is equal to BD. Okay, that first one is proved, yes or no? First one is proved. Okay. Then you see that second proof is AC line is parallel to BD line. So when the two lines are parallel, we have to show the two lines are parallel. So how? You see that when these two triangles are equal, that means congruence. So angle CAO, this angle is also equal with that DBO. Yes or no? By which angles? These two. Alternate angle. So you write. Okay. So next you write that triangle angle CAO is equal to that DBO. It is also by simplicity because two triangles are equal, so corresponding part are equal. So these two angles are equal. So when these two angles are equal, so we have to write that AC line is parallel to BD line. That the second one is proved. Okay. Yes or no? Understand this question? Okay, now come to the second one. The second number question you see, the number 2, AX is the bisector of angle BAC. P is any point on AX. Prove that the perpendiculars drawn from P to AB and AC are equal. So you draw the figure first. That AX is the bisector of a BAC. So you have to draw the first angle BAC. That it is B and A and C. Then AX is the bisector. This is X. AX is the bisector and P is any point on AX. Suppose it is point P. Then perpendicular to B to P and also that C to P. That it is point P. That perpendiculars from P to, suppose PM is the perpendicular to AB line and PNA is the perpendicular to AC line. The question is given that you have to prove that the perpendiculars are equal. That means P to M and P to N. These two lines are equal. These two perpendicular, first one is P to M and P to N are equal. So how to prove it? That you see that PM and PN. PM is the side of a triangle APM and PN is the side of a triangle APN. Yes or no? You have to see the two triangles APM and APN. Okay? Yes or no? So first one, you have to show these two triangles are congruent. So when the two triangles are congruent, then by simplicity we can say that P to M and P to N are equal. So you write in triangle APN and triangle APM, that which parts are equal? Which parts? That first M angle is equal to N angle because 90 degree. M angle is equal to N angle and as X is the bisector, so MAP is equal to NAP. Yes or no? MAP is equal to NAP as X is the bisector. Then AP is the common side. Yes or no? AP. That AP is equal to AP, which is the common side. So triangle APN is congruent to triangle APM. By which property? Angle side, that AAS. Then by simplicity, we have to write that MP side is equal to NP side. It is proved. Okay? Yes or no? Clear all? Okay.